So it's my first day at the art trail, venue 33. So I'm down here in Ilfracombe Harbour. There's the harbour, the tide's out, and I'll take you upstairs into Ilfracombe Yacht Club. So we're going to go on in. Go up a few stairs and I'll show you my exhibition. Going up the stairs. It's a fantastic club. I'll just show you the bar. It's beautiful, overlooks the harbour. And we go on upstairs. And this is the start of the exhibition. So the first the first painting is flowers over there, daisies and foxgloves. This one is swans at Bartonart Marsh, wild horses, and view over a Somerset field. And I've got some driftwood sculptural pieces.
That's your sort of colours.
Swans return, swallows return. And a view over Bull Point. Some more sculptural driftwood pieces, bits and pieces I've picked up on the beach and just put found objects, seaweed, tiles, bits of pottery, shells, etc. And a couple of little paintings down there. All the King's horses, that was a time when the horses were galloping across Ilfracombe Beach. That inspired me for that little painting. And the kite flyers there, Ilfracombe Beach. The butterfly is from Linton Cross. I spotted him last year. First butterfly I saw last summer. And there's another sculptural piece of driftwood, shells, etc. And Two for Joys, a painting I did over Ilfracombe, over Marine Drive, that was it. And then this one is across Carmarthen, sunset. A little painting here. A dog pulling a man along, taking the man for a walk. That's Ilfracombe Beach. And outside, I'll show you outside. Got this lovely, they call it the poop deck actually. It's beautiful up here. You can come and have a drink. And you can see the sea. The most magnificent views you've ever seen. And across there is the back of Capstan. There's a little princess out for a ride, taking tourists for a ride around the coastline. And up there is Lantern Hill, St Nicholas Church. So I'll take you back inside. So this is what they call the poop deck. Come and sit and have a lovely drink here. It's very nice. And there's just a couple more paintings inside on the side here. Up there, Sea Gem. This is the Ilfracombe Harbour painting, or picture, photograph actually. It's not one of mine, it was always here. In the corner I've got a few little sketchbooks, some prints for sale, Carmarthen paddle boarders. That's the view from the back I just showed you. It was inspired on a midsummer night, sunset last year. We've got the seahorses and waves. So I hope you enjoyed this exhibition. Thank you for watching.